Hi, this is Louie. Gonna sing Say You Won't Let Go by James Arthur. I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told ya. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then. You'd never know. So I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. You say you won't let go. You say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that everybody gets better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you. I hope you know, darling, your love is more than what is waiting gold. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown. And I wanna stay with you until we're getting old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. You were always there for me when I need you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise still that we're parting our vows. So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go. You say you won't let go.